All right, back at it. Mm, okay. First thing is I noticed view and view router just say latest in the package.json, and that rubs me the wrong way. So I'm just going to install view at latest. And that's going to record the latest version at the time I installed it. Because we definitely don't want, me to come back to this library 10 years from now and not know which version of Vue I need. So I'll do the same with Vue router. Very nice. Yeah, for the Nuxt project, I'm gonna want a website and the library. So that's also gonna take some configuration. Last episode, I got my Vue.mint library published on GitHub. It's private, so can't use it, but it's there and it works, and I ran it in here. So what's next? Cat's asking me for things. Is there anything red in here? Why are you lying at me? Next partial app. Slot goes in main. Let's see, this one, yeah, it doesn't have the main. Good, good. Hey, cat's yelling at me. Of course, I've just started streaming. But I think, damn it, something in here that's wrong. Oh, you know what? I may not have exported the config. I not do that? Yeah. Alright, one second, cat, and then I'll include the store in the library. Back at it. Not a component though. App dot. There are types at index, but this could not be resolved when respecting package.json exports. The apartment view mint library. You need to update package.json or typings. Okay, so I messed something up. So I guess we're not moving on to the Nuxt library just yet. Okay, I won't. What do I want? Node modules, apartment, viewment, dist. Everything looks right here. This is my stuff. Get rid of that. Oh, the file I'm in. Okay. No. No. It was working before. It was working when I linked them, so... And I can't use the store. Because the store requires... This one's already named. Okay, what's wrong here? Could not find a declaration file for playing with routes, but header, no. Check out widgets button, and widget button, content. I didn't import mint widget button. I don't think I need this one here. Cannot find a declaration file. So let's check out its package. Yeah, dude, I don't stop. I mean, I'll stop to play a video game every once in a while, or, you know, sleep, eat. But if it's not one of those, there's code to write. Also, not having a job is really motivating me. I'm doing this so that I can be good at what I need to be good at for a job, potential job. We're getting there. I can't figure out why this isn't working. Cannot find declaration file. Types at. Yes, but this result could not be resolved when respecting package.json exports. Exports, huh? That's this guy. Hmm. So I will be honest, I've not used the exports package.json. Nested submodules. That's nice, I like that. I was wondering how you did that. You know what? I had the types in here. Oh, not in here. This is in the node modules. So, can I just edit it? Can I just edit it? Can I just... Okay. It looks like it's okay with it now. Yeah, looks okay with it now. So, what that means is I need to come back to the view library again. Let's update this guy. Now we have types. I think I removed it when I added default and it yelled at me. No? Hmm. Just when it yelled at me when I did this last time. Okay, but there is only one file. For the library. If I wanted more sections, I could actually just make more exports with the same values. But I do believe this is what I'm missing. Types to exports. Yes, please. Definitely gonna end up switching to Byte for the rest of my libraries, which I was planning on doing anyways. I have a whole library it's just a Webpack config, like a pre-configured Webpack config, so that you can just install that and then you just put your TypeScript files in a TS folder and it builds it for you automatically. But I gave up on it. Nothing wrong with Webpack. Okay, while that builds. Wait, why did I get this to run earlier if it was gonna give me all these errors? Mint item or undefined is not assignable to type mint item. Is card required? No. It is. Yes. I forgot. These all need these. So plenty of places for me to just need to question every model. Save that icon. Same deal. Image. Everybody gets an optional model. Wow. Ah, yes. Thank you for not making me do that. Although it did add all of these, and that's not necessary, right? Also, I'm gonna take ones that aren't bound, put them at the end. There's the slot. Wait. Wait, what happened here? It delete my other image? God? That is so annoying. I'm just trying to use AI without it interrupting everything. Look at it. Why is it deleting the second one? Like, why would you do that? Son of a bitch. Okay, actually, this one. Yeah, wait a minute. Okay. I'm just so scared it's gonna break everything again. Okay, yeah, as long as you're not removing the other image, I'll let you do your thing. Oop. Get rid of the sidebars. And that guy. Oh, that's so much better. It did also fill in these guys again. I liked the shorthand. Why do you keep doing this to me? There we go. It's learning. Save that, come back here, let's update title. I feel like this one would be required. Maybe I don't want it to be though. No, undo that, because I'm gonna come in here. Do that. Very nice. Button needs to be updated. I should just define this as mint model. No. No, because there's other props. Yeah, fix those. Button, VIF model, no. No, the button happens no matter what. And widget button content. Okay, yeah, I'll come back to that. Should have started with the one it depended on. There you go. Good. Why would it do that? We do that. Sometimes it just doesn't make sense. It's very confusing. When are you gonna get good? Keeping that there for now. Swear there's gonna be something I put in here. Things that don't require links. Okay, so I do believe that all looks good. All these are optional. So I am going to rebuild that. Do another npm version patch. Well, no. Forgot to loop the music. Um, no, that's a breaking change, so minor. And we're gonna do. Oh, what did I do? Um, models. Optional models. Boom. Okay, while that builds, I can go back to Nuxt. Update the view library to 3.0 point whatever. The last one I was on 4, I think. And now see if it's still yelling at me. Item or undefined is not assignable to type mint item. Okay, but didn't I update this? Maybe it didn't publish. 304.310 published. So let's just update it again. There we go. That cleared up. Oh yeah, right, because I didn't fix that part. I fixed this part. Back in action. Everybody's happy. There we go. I mean, it's loading. Got all my things. Got all the things that I had in my ink. Well, not all of them. Now I guess it's time to not right now, but I think I'm gonna set up the Nuxt library first. And then I'll start working on transferring over all of my widgets. This is gonna be fun. Okay, so let's learn. Where's my favorite explainer? Yes, sir. Done. Still Nuxt. Add essential files. SRC, components, composables, Nuxt config optional, implement your library. Yeah, why aren't my files in an SRC folder? Shared composable. Use counter. Increment. Create an entry point. Yeah, configure the package. Build the library. Install TypeScript if needed. Yeah. Add tsconfig.json. Target. Yes, next. Module resolution. Declaration true. After is this. Strict true. Include src index.ts. And the build command. Yeah, so I am gonna have to do export default as for all of my components anyways. Kind of annoying. TypeScript compile. npm link it first, yes. We're so close. And this is all the stuff I do before I even start developing an application. We're just setting up our workflow. Which is an important part, because you know, you don't wanna be wasting time. Wasting time sucks. Go to view docs, view docs, view docs, view docs. Okay, they're all view docs. Nuts. Docs. Configuration. Out rules. Yeah. Okay. Interesting. There we go, that's what I'm doing. Myers, cat? Cat, get off! Dumbass. Be right back. We're back. What was I doing before I was so rudely interrupted? Configuration. Or is it just going to be like the same as... Is it just going to be the same as my view library? This one's in an SRC. That's what I was looking up. Let's looking up. Maybe it's an introduction. I want the file system. What could you possibly want? You want to go out? I'm not giving you enough attention. Maybe guide. Key concepts. Vue.js APIs without... Yeah. Yeah. Directory structure, that's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for, Toma. I should put Toma. Toma, you want to be on stream? He probably just wants outside. I'll be back real fast. Like, I want to say... Alright, he's yelling at me. Oh. Configuration is what I want. I'm coming, dude. Be safe. Okay. Nuxt configuration. I already came in here, but I was hoping... props destructure? Okay. This didn't have what I want. So put Nuxt folders in SRC. Stir in the Nuxt config. Perfect. Yeah, it wasn't like on the configuration page. It should list everything on that page, or at least have a link to it. Maybe I'm just not looking close enough. Generally, probably the deal. Oh, these guys. I think I'm gonna clean these up in a config folder. Okay, Nuxt Mint. Wait, first off, I should make sure everything's cool. Is everything cool? We're all cool. We're all cool. Everybody's cool. Just make sure Mint's updated. But everything seems fine in here. Let's go. Opinion, 2 bytes plus percentage. Okay. Now, if this is the Nuxt library, build it. Two megabytes. Feels kind of big. Or 4. Okay, so it's the Nitro server. Nuxt. Okay. let's see, with this one, amplify was out here, not in the SRC. I think that's right. That's also what I'm gonna do. And then if I do need any build scripts or publish scripts, click in there. So am I gonna do it? I'm gonna. Oh wait, no. First, this works. Um. But I need. Yeah, I just like renamed everything. This is gonna be. Um. Hmm. Yep. Yep. Okay, so doesn't have a version. I call this 3.0.0. It's not going to publish a library yet, so maybe I wish the AI could hear me so it would have a better idea of what I want as I'm talking it out. But I guess most people probably don't do that. Maybe they do. Just gonna save that. Everything's good here. Oh wait. Yeah, I modified the package.json. Um, yep. So we'll commit that. Um, I'm going to then create new folder, source folder. Since this is a library, I don't think it's gonna need the server folder. Right? I'm gonna say right. I'll bring it back if I need it. Public. Don't need that. Um, Do I want a no robots? I don't think I need this at all. Plugins, Mint plugin. Guess I'm still learning the ropes. Although, what do I do here? I guess I create. If this is even gonna work. Okay, so now I have that, and I should be able to come here. Do that. Feel like that would make more sense to me. It is more verbose. I just do that. Probably, but that works fine. So now this isn't gonna work. It's like, yo. That stuff doesn't exist. Okay, so assets is going in there, components, layouts, middleware, that's empty, pages. Plugins. Everybody goes in the source folder. Oh no, I should have known Cursor couldn't handle this. You okay, bud? I don't want to cancel it halfway through, but I'm going to take a break and do some stretches. When I come back, if it hasn't finished this, I'll just close it and do it with Explorer or in the terminal. I'm back and it said it wasn't allowed. So assets, components, layouts, middleware, pages, plugins. All go in there. No, app.view2. App.view2. These two definitely root. These two definitely root. This one definitely root. So I'm not gonna put the Nuxt config in a config folder, but the view library having so many more config files, which I'm guessing Nuxt just like they just hide away in this .nuxt folder. So I did it. So we have amplify and then amplifies root sources. The library. Where'd it go? So that should now run. Oh, nope. And that's not actually checked in, which is fine. Looks like everything's working. Okay. Okay, let's come back to that. You didn't mention the Nuxt config src dir, but yeah, what's this? this is a bad answer. Dash T is what I'm looking for. Options? Like where's the dogs? I want to see what the dash T does. That's what I've been looking for. Why did I not come here? Definitely open this up. Didn't see author guide. Alright, I have a little bit of reading to do. Ah, a lot of bit of reading to do. Oh, this is gonna be fun. I should create a new project. Prepare, follow this document to learn more about Nuxt modules. Love it. New school video about Nuxt module starter template. Okay, well, put a pin in that. To develop a module, you need a Nuxt application. That's what the playground directory is about. It's a Nuxt application you can tinker with that's already configured to run with your module. Interact with the playground like any Nuxt application. Launch its development server. npm run dev. Reload itself as you make changes to. Okay. Your module in the src directory. Build it with npm run dev build. Other Nuxt UI command playground. Okay. That's good. Okay, yes, beautiful. Why wasn't the AI telling me any of this stuff? Like, pay for the better models. Next models come with their own builder. Module builder. This builder doesn't require any configuration. Love it. Okay. Repack. Dev prepare. Building model by running prepack. Prepare local files. Prepare local files for development using. Okay. Woof. What do I do? Got the answer. Sam knows all. This is great and all. How important is that stuff? I don't know. Here's what we're gonna do. Here's what we do. We exit that. We're gonna create a new Nuxt. Yeah. Give me that init command. Init command, init command guide. No, just. No. Yeah, yes. Nux I. At latest init project name. Nux I. I wish it was just Nuxt. How am I supposed to remember this? Wait, and it was MPX? Yeah. Nux I. Init. Nux app part names. Yes. We're gonna move that repo into this one. It's all gonna be hunky-dory. And then I'm gonna reinitialize the Nuxt mint. Initialize git repository would be a yes. Actually, I'm also gonna do Nuxt chatbot package manager npm. I like the OG. I've never actually checked any of the others out, but just feels unnecessary. Don't they all use the same repos? I bet I'll find out I'm wrong eventually. I do that a lot. Okay. Let's give me the git repo. Now I've got my 3 Nuxt projects. Nuxt app art mint. Gonna start off, we're going to, I imagine I will want server this time. What's this? That's what this one is too, right? Yeah. I should probably read this. I'll read that eventually. Oh. That's fine. Didn't really learn anything from that. So I can delete it from there, and now the two files are the same. Or at least they reference the same file. And I need that there. All these guys. If the nuxt.config is the only okay. This one's gonna get trashed anyways, so I'll just let's see. Let's enter Nuxt app apartment, and then check it out. Whoa. Bare bones. Nuxt view and router, like last time, our latest. So I'm gonna get those down to a version. Put this guy over here. Dependency wise, definitely get that. My libraries. Didn't really have to do that because I'm gonna add the script. It doesn't have the npm-rc yet. Yeah, you know what? I don't need to care about those right now because it doesn't have the npm-rc. So, any actually, I'm not gonna add AWS Amplify. Looks like I just need Pinia and Pinia Nuxt. Okay, and then dev dependencies. There's none in here, really? So, Amplify. Maybe ES build is also for that. So I'm gonna need that's ESX TypeScript, right? Is that what? Let's do a Control Shift T to get back here. View TSC. Why do I have TSX? Type check. Oh, you know what? I'm thinking of the viewment. Viewment. That's this type check, which is view tsc dash dash build. When do I install TSX? I guess I'll find out if something doesn't work. But I'm not just gonna install it for no reason. Wait. Yeah. Wait. This is Nuxt mint. This is view mint. There we go. I want this one. Dependencies. Got those. I'm just gonna do that for now. But also view TSC, right? Is what this is telling me to do. Okay. I also updated Nuxt config. Something I didn't do earlier. Definitely those ones. Maybe TSX is from Amplify. Let me do... No, Gen 2. I'm on view. If there's any difference, quick start. No, I don't want no template. Get out of here. Come on, give me a command. I'll get the implement login UI is gonna be good at some point, but no, 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 no. I know it's on here somewhere. It's not. Manual installation. npm create amplify at latest. Why can't I remember that? It's just not something I'm gonna remember. npm create amplify at latest, because it uses ampx for like everything else. So like what are we doing here? Great project there. I should be doing this to the chatbot as well. Do that for this guy too. What other dependencies did I install? I didn't do the app artment or the icons yet. Pinia slash Nuxt and Pinia. And view and view router. So you just have it set to latest for some reason, and I'm not about that life. Now npm create amplify at latest. Get it right damn there. Okay. I don't really need anything as of now. This one's gonna get a copy of. Actually, I'm gonna see if I can get this one to just use the same backend. Yeah, because you can set Amplify to be like use that backend. So I'm gonna set this to use a different app's backend. This is gonna be my website, but in Nuxt. It's gonna be fun. Then I'll have an Angular and a Nuxt version. And then the chatbot's gonna be a chatbot. So we're both at the same place here. Now I want to go to the Nuxt Mint package. No, where to go? Nuxt Mint package. Oh, it was right here the whole time. take my update scripts. Add those to that. Preview, Nuxt preview, generate. I added serve, be an alias for dev. Gonna want these. I was gonna overwrite it, but if those are gonna be tabs, I'll just do that. Save that. These guys are at the same place. It's got CDK lib, it's got the ES build, it does have TSX. So that came from Amplify. I like it. I like it. Close the not found files. Ooh, cancel. But I had unsaved changes. Oh, I'm gonna be sad about that. Hope that's a lie. Okay, so basically, I think I'm just gonna copy that, paste it into the chat bot. Chat bot, save it. Okay, we're on the same team. Now it's too dark to see if it's my cat or not. Jeez, where does the day go? What's going on? I'm not mine. How you doing? Got any programming questions? Feel free to ask me. Now, I think it was my cat. So think about that. I'll be right back. All right, it wasn't him. Uh, Back-end programmer looking for a front-end programmer to help with the project. All right, so I don't have a lot of time right now. What kind of project are you talking about? Like is it something small? You just need something worked on, or are you talking like I need someone to build a front end for this project? Oh, you know what? I just figured out what I think is my cat attacking my window is actually just the gun club shooting. What time is it? Okay, I have time. Okay, how big is the project, would you say? Okay, where was I? Here. Okay, so both of these guys are going to... Are they gonna lose the public folder? I don't need that at all. We're gonna get source folders. We're gonna edit the Nuxt config. Let's see, maybe I shouldn't be using semicolons. They don't seem to... Maybe if it's just the one, you don't need it. You don't ever really need it. With TypeScript, I don't know, I just like consistency. Okay, so now I have the source folder, so that's gonna go in there. Then, oh, now cursor can copy folders. When it's a simple one. Next, amplify server. I don't know what cracked version 2 refers to. Honestly, I would just jump in and learn. Um, Either React or Vue. Opponents of Angular, but not the HTML and CSS one. Yeah, I don't like the way I look at it. I don't know if you can do the TypeScript of it all, you can do HTML and CSS. You just don't want to. It's a lot. There's a lot to learn, and it's not interesting. Because programming's way more interesting than doing the front end. Yeah, yeah. I get, also, it's just not for everybody. Some people just like can't get into it, I guess. Like, and like computer science is also like a thing that if you can't get into it, then don't do it. Find something else. And it's kind of the same with the front end. I find that I'm one of those rare cases where I don't mind it, so I kind of get like shoehorned into the front end because literally everybody else is like, front end? No, that sounds awful. I don't want to do that. But I mean, like you said, you can do the TypeScript of the Angular uh, part, and that's like it's fine. Literally, you just gotta take the time to learn the HTML and CSS, and you do that bit by bit, just like as it appears. You're like, okay, I guess that's something new, and it is frustrating. It is very frustrating. Very frustrating. I don't know. I was just asked if I would prefer front end or back end, and I don't. I said wherever I would be the most helpful, which is probably shouldn't even open my mouth because back end's probably the right answer, but I don't mind the front end. It's just I don't know. You just gotta learn. Just gotta learn the HTML tags and the CSS properties and what their different values do, and then you're pretty much done until they update the specs. I suggest starting early. Um, yeah, I feel you there. I do like the front end because I can be more creative. And I wouldn't say back end is only code and logic. I like to find ways that I can express creativity in the back end even. Like, I don't know, well formatted code is a beautiful thing. Uh, but yeah, I guess you have to know what you want. I guess that's the hard part. What do you even want? How should it work? Like if you're building an API, you know what you need. You figure out what inputs you need. You figure out what outputs you need. You make them work. You test edge cases. You're done. It works. Good job. Front end is like, I don't know. Does the font need to be bigger? I don't know. Ah, Jesus, why am I spending so much time thinking about the font? It's probably just a waste of time, and I just like get lost in that. It's at some point you just gotta like cut yourself out of it. And then using the framework is that's why I use the frameworks like Angular and Nuxt and React is because like it makes it feel much more like it's programming. Ah, interesting. Um, I feel like I probably wouldn't even be the best to speak on this. Yeah, best place to begin, um, I would say is just like not Angular, basically. I mean, I wouldn't say that because I love Angular. That's what I use the most. That's what I use. I've used it the longest. Big fan of Angular. I just find that it's like, I don't know, more verbose than the others. Um, I've never tried Svelte, but it feels maybe obscure, so I would go with either React or Vue. Um, but the thing is, React and Vue aren't frameworks. They are component libraries. So, if you like Angular, if you like the scripting part of Angular, maybe do that because everything with Angular comes together and it's nice. You do it the Angular way. There's just you do things the way they're supposed to, and you get all of the features. Um, React and Vue, you basically have to find frameworks that you are built on top of React and Vue. So right now I'm building in Nuxt, N-U-X-T, and that is a Vue framework that basically I just also built a Vue project, and there's like, I guess, a good bit of uh, configuration and stuff that I needed. But Nuxt makes everything much easier. Nuxt similar to the Next, and I've mastered Next. Oh, okay. Okay, good. So, what is next? Okay, next is React. Perfect. If you've mastered Next, then that's it. You just gotta try to get better at the, I don't know, building the front end. Also, there's component libraries I would look into, like using Material uh, by Google. Very, very Google-like. So like if you want it, if you're building like a web app and you want it to like fit in with the Android style, Material's a good one to look into. It's just the ones I know. Um, so yeah, I don't know. If you already know Nest, oh, not Next, Net. Okay, let me let me make sure. No, not Google Nest. The Node framework. Okay, that's what I thought. Server side. That makes more sense. Yes, yes. Okay. Okay. Is there any templating in it? Give me that documentation. There's steps. Oh yeah. Create an app, listen on the port. Controllers, providers, modules, yeah, middleware, exceptions, pipes, guards, interceptors, fundamentals, providers. Yeah. Yeah, all the good stuff. Yeah, it looks like you'd probably pick a front-end library to put on top of that. Oh, there's module services. Did I look right past it? Hmm. I don't know. So yeah, I just started using Nuxt and UXT, and I've been liking it. I feel like there's a chance I might switch to it from Angular. Um, so that's Vue plus all the other goodies. And then if you want to do like a React framework, um, there's Redux. No. No, Redux is a state management library. That's what that is. What? React framework. Give me a React framework. Oh, next. We just went over actually. But that was before we realized you meant to say Nest. So yeah, actually, probably Nuxt is the view one, and then next and ext. So you can use nest and next, or nest and nuxt, or nest and angular. All these names are getting too close. So yeah, basically, I mean, there's many other choices, but the ones that I know of, the only ones I've used is Angular and Nuxt. Um, but I know of Next for React. There's, I mean, so many others, but okay, okay, I got it. Okay, okay, you want Angular? I feel that. I feel that. I really do. I really do like Angular. Like I have. What do I have? 6 Angular libraries now. I don't know. I like the modularity. I like the lazy loading. Signals are nice. Um, I will say, so from what I know, it's if you want the most jobs available, do all these names combining. Do Next, the React framework. If you want the one to best get you a job, you want to do Next. Um, the most convenient, as far as I know, would be Nuxt, the Vue framework. Angular, apparently, jobs pay better, allegedly. That's what I've heard. I don't know. Um, but it seems like they're more rare. Less people use it. React is the big one. Angular, more obscure, but you'll get paid more probably. Nuxt, I don't know a ton about, but I've been enjoying for the past like 5 episodes. I've just been doing Nuxt, and I've been enjoying it thoroughly. They're all good. They're all good. Learn Svelte. Be adventurous. I don't know. I've never tried Svelte. I don't know. I don't know. And I don't know about the demand for Svelte. So maybe React and uh, I probably recommend Angular, but Nuxt is really challenging that viewpoint. We'll see what happens when I get the library ready. Yeah, my pleasure. That's what I'm here for. I'm here for the advice. Or explaining things. Man, you need a refresher of regular expressions? I got you. We'll have an adventure about regular expressions. Okay, let's see. I want to run this. Guess that means we're good. There's no code in here. There's very little code in here. That's probably why that happens. But what I want is to get this into the package.json files. Chatbot, does it has all these? Yeah, they all have the same things. What is this? Type check. Let's Where's the, can I get the view mint package? Yeah. Test unit type check. Might rename this. Unless that would make view mad at me. Like, test types? Probably what I would name it. Feels like I'm splitting hairs. Wait. UTSC. This one uses Vue TSC. This one, oh, this one isn't Nuxt, that's why. So I just looking for my naming convention, and I don't like it, so. Didn't the last time it asked me if I wanted, like, no, that must have just been Vue. It's interesting. That's what I wanted. I'll save that and add it to the other one. Alright. To enable type checking at build or development time, you can also use the TypeScript.typecheck option in your Nuxt.config file. Well, if that's not on, I don't know what is. I feel like this should be the first one. Copy that, save it. Okay. Gonna remember to do that here too. We will get there. Package.json. Okay, so I'm gonna want to add this npmrc file to both projects. Good. Everything in here is coming with. I'm gonna copy it because I know cutting it is gonna Script cursor out. Wait, they already have their source folders, so yeah, what's in here? Server, but this one doesn't have server, right? Yeah. Copy them. I don't think I needed that. Figure it out. So this one, let's see, gonna need to add the CSS. DevTools plugins / mint. Genius / Nuxt. Use my SAS files. Use global opinion. Yeah. Put that in these guys. It's gonna be a duplicate DevTools. Save that. And put it in the chatbot. Actually, I think I skipped a step earlier. We have test types. So, serve, npm run dev, Nuxt dev. Well, actually, this is no longer an alias. Where's the view mint? Run P. Now that's my cat. I'm coming, bud. Run P. Okay, 1 second. back. Run P. Test types dev. Is that what I'm supposed to do? Yeah, no run P. Wanna double check. Take a minute to load. No way. Where's it coming from? Run parallel, I'm guessing. Yeah, it's a binary. Oh, an npm run all 2. Does not have npm run all 2. Does not, so we add them to these guys. npm run all 2. Okay, so it doesn't like any of this. Yeah, it's not cool about it. I mean, it has. I haven't installed those either. That is why. Cannot do anything until I've installed all of the dependencies. Update mid. Do you believe test types? Wait. These ones should not be in parallel. This types dev. Runs all the updates. Wait. Oh yeah, I just never called that. Oh wait. I'm still gonna need icons. Let's see. Nuxt chatbot. Nuxt chatbot test types is here. Alright, okay, so that wasn't ready. So let me try npm run serve to test running the type check in dev server. Is that what it meant? I don't know. No, no, it doesn't. It means it would do this for me. So I don't need to do this. What? What were the changes? I installed things, didn't I? Yeah. Back to an alias. Okay. Okay. I am eventually also going to need definitely need to clean up these configs. What was I grabbing from here? Cross replace. Need cross replace, or I will need cross replace. Found 0 errors. Watching for error, found 0 errors. One second. What was that? The ghost? I heard something, but probably just the wind. Whoa! Alright. I want to install cross replace. That's what I'm doing. Very nice. Everybody's happy. Now I feel like this one should act. Well, they should both act. Like something. That's back to normal, right? Let's go. Zero errors. UTSC knows me so well. Dance party. Okay. Zero errors. I mean, I get to see it. It's beautiful. It's just what I wanted. All right. Everything untracked. It's a brand new repo. But oh, add everything. Um, version 3. Mm, mm, okay, I'm gonna call this from Nuxt Mints. It's gonna be the same thing. Serve it. the same thing, and it is beautiful. It works, so I'm gonna do the same thing. Didn't add the... Okay. Okay. I don't want to have to delete the repo and recreate it. But... Oh, also, it doesn't need amplify. It's gonna have to be what we do. Sorry, guy. We had a good run. Oh, can't do that. Just for my sanity, but I really didn't have to do that. No. Cursor like, dude. You can't do that to me. I shouldn't have even tried. Oh, did it? Finally. Okay. Where do we go from here? Back to the stories of the... What do they call it? Onto author guide. Love it, so... Copy this guy. Wait, before I do this, I should delete the repo. To the danger zone. Wait, you know what? Before I do that, Real quick, I need to delete it. In AWS, off screen. So I don't trust you guys. Ah, light mode. What have you done? Where's the setting? Should be set to browser default, not light. Okay, well, Nuxtmint failed to build anyway. Go to branch settings. No, general settings. Delete app. Doing it. Okay, so now the app is destroyed. Or destroying. I get a notification from GitHub? No. It's probably because I waited too long. Oh, I have to click the button. Successfully deleted. Love it. Alright, so we start the module over using commands specifically for it that the AI didn't give me. It's a good thing I'm smart enough to trust it. Cause man, they really are just text generators. I like this, but I might make a next application. Not in this folder, right? Good old NPM. Alright, let's check out our library. What? Oh, it came with on push or pull request. Lint. What is NYPM? This is still under test. Guess we're looking up a new library. Jeez. I thought these all shared. I guess I know nothing. Huh. Okay, so I guess I can use this if I ever wanna install. Wait, but isn't MPX NPM specific? So why not just? I'm so confused. I don't think I'm gonna use this at all. Excuse me, I'm confused why they put it in there by default. Is this git ignore not? Oh, nice. Playground has an app. Maybe I didn't need to make Nuxt app art mint. Looks like I have plenty to learn about this. $7:30. I can feel the brain drain. um, but I can still. I should do this. Oh, it already ran it for me. Okay. Um, hmm. Okay. I'll be changing some stuff at some point, but then and test and run repack and change log and dash dash release and publish and git push follow tags. Kit. I'm guessing it's something just for the libraries, because otherwise it would be in peer dependencies. Yes, config is excluding the playground. Playground gets its own TS config, which makes sense. Module playground, module script. But I'm gonna see if I can get it to be Nuxt apartment anyways. But one step at a time. This shamefully hoist. Well, gotta question that. Wait, why am I at PM? Okay. Strict peer dependency probably tells it that it's okay to have that. What do we got in here? Get your module up and run it quickly. Find and replace all unknown files. Name my module. Package name my module. Description my new Nuxt module. My module. Mm-hmm. 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 not there at the moment. Sure, it'll build at some point. Okay, this feels good. Time to read more. So maybe I Okay, doesn't sound hard at all. I'm fairly certain I don't have the energy to go through it now. But I got a lot done today. I started pretty early. What up, Uranium Cat? You got any programming questions? That Sam knows all. Let's see. I bet that person commented while I was reading. Shamefully hoys. Okay. Is there anything I can do with the amount of brain power I have left? Definitely gotta reread because I did skim that very fast. Oh yeah, okay, I did want to look through this. Plugin injected by my module. Find Nuxt plugin. Nuxt app. Plugin injected by my module. Okay, so we'll get there. This guy, export interface, module options, type, interface definition. What? An empty interface declaration allows any nullish, non-nullish value, including literals like 0 and empty string. Okay. Oh, that's where I will define the module options clearly. Yeah. Set the meta default configuration options of the Nuxt module. Set up. Create resolver. Do not add the extension since the TS regions found on JS to activate. Okay. It was a fun day. It was a full day. Full ass work day. But I got the view library built and published and working in a Nuxt application. Next, when I regain brain power tomorrow, we'll start on the Nuxt library. Which I'm excited for. Not a Git repository or any of the parent. This one didn't set up a Git. Okay, and you know what? Actually, I want to get rid of the GitHub workflows for now. We'll come back to that. Okay, so node modules isn't hidden because there is no repo. I need to get in it. And then gh repo create art mint slash nuxt mint. look up the syntax. I always forget if this private equals true or just private. Seems fine. You know what, I'm gonna make the commit the command I needed. Nuxt I init module. That's okay. I do believe we're done here. For now, at least. Don't worry, I'll be back. Check in tomorrow for more coding with Sam. When we will get this Nuxt library configured. And then finally, we will start on the chatbot. Taking a couple days of prep, but it's gonna be worth it. Thank you for watching. Let's see, maybe I'll do music. Nope, I need rest. Thanks for watching. Peace. Check in next time for the next library.